This is a Vizio p50hdtv. I got that 20 amps. What does that mean? So it's a Vizio p50. It's a model number on it. And the problem is it takes forever for it to turn on. It's 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, what have you. And I'm going to show you what the problem is on that. First, you got to take your screws, all of them apart, and then we'll get to once you get the back turned off of it. Since this is plasma, I'm not going to sit there and make all the calling what boards what. Just get to the point what's wrong with this TV. You have this capacitor, that capacitor, and these here are all bad. Now, that's 680 microfarad for the one, 1000 microfarad for that one. Let's see the other values. 3300 microfarad. So, have variable different ones. So these are the problem with your TV here. Just take and unscrew it. Oh, got more down here. There's some more 1000. That's 3300 microfarad capacitors down there. That's also bad. The same way with that one there. It's bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 capacitors that are bad. Good luck. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the video.